Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of birds. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey to discover the birds with the longest wingspans, showcasing their incredible ability to dominate the skies. Get ready to witness the marvels of flight as we delve into the captivating lives of these majestic creatures. From the vast ocean expanses to the towering mountain ranges, these birds have evolved to conquer the air with their impressive wingspans. Join us as we unveil the champions of flight, each possessing their own unique adaptations that make them true wonders of nature. Birds with the longest wingspans, marvels of flight. Birds are remarkable creatures that come in various shapes, sizes, and colors. They have captivated human fascination for centuries with their ability to soar through the skies. While all birds possess the extraordinary ability to fly, some species stand out with their impressive wingspans. These birds with the longest wingspans are truly awe-inspiring, showcasing the wonders of nature's engineering. Let's take a closer look at some of these majestic avian creatures. Wandering albatross, Diomedea exhilans. The wandering albatross is known for having the largest wingspan of any living bird. These magnificent seabirds can reach an astounding wingspan of up to 12 feet, 3.7 meters. With such long wings, they are built for gliding effortlessly over vast ocean expanses, traveling incredible distances in search of food. Their wings are perfectly adapted for utilizing air currents to their advantage, allowing them to cover thousands of miles with minimal effort. Marabou stork, Leptoptilos crumenifer. Also known as the undertaker bird, this bird has a wingspan of 3.7 meters, rivaling the wandering albatross. This makes the marabou stork the largest land bird in the whole world, at least in terms of wingspan. It also gives them a wide range, with the marabou stork widespread across the entirety of sub-Saharan Africa. The bird's nickname references its appearance from behind, its wings giving the appearance of a cloak draped over a man stooped over a grave. This is further reinforced by the black feathers on the bird's wings and back, although it has white feathers on the rest of its body. The bird does have a bald head and neck, with the latter featuring a ring of white feathers around the base. Juveniles of the species also have brown feathers instead of black, which darken as they age. Great white pelican, Pelecanus onocrotalis. The great white pelican is another species of pelican that boasts an impressive wingspan. These birds can have a wingspan of around 12 feet, 3.6 meters. They are known for their white plumage, striking yellow beak, and the ability to form large flocks. Great white pelicans primarily inhabit wetlands and shallow lakes, where they use their extensive wingspan to effortlessly glide above the water while foraging for food. Four, Southern Royal Albatross, Diomedea epimaphora. This bird has a wingspan of 3.5 meters, less than its cousin the wandering albatross, but longer than other albatross species. The Southern Royal Albatross also features a predominantly white color but has black speckles on its mantle. Its wing feathers also have a black or dark brown color, while also having white speckles. Despite their long wingspans, this bird has a surprisingly small range, typically staying within 30 degrees south and 45 degrees south. They also primarily nest on Campbell Island, although they also have a presence on Adams Island, Auckland Island, as well as New Zealand's Otago Peninsula. That said, outliers of the species do fly long distances, traveling as far away as South America. Five, Dalmatian pelican, Pelecanus crispus. Known for its striking appearance and impressive size, the Dalmatian pelican is one of the largest pelican species. These magnificent birds have a wingspan that can measure up to 12 feet, 3.51 meters. With their massive beaks and expansive wings, Dalmatian pelicans are skilled divers, plunging into water bodies to catch fish. Their long wings enable them to take off from water surfaces and maintain stability while in flight. Six, Amsterdam albatross, Diomedea amsterdamensis. Despite its name, this bird isn't named after the city of Amsterdam in the Netherlands. Instead, its name refers to Amsterdam Island in the Indian Ocean, the one place in the world where this bird breeds at. Similar to the Tristan albatross, scientists originally saw the Amsterdam albatross as just outliers of the wandering albatross. However, detailed physical studies saw the Amsterdam albatross recognized as its own species in 1983. This proved controversial at the time, although the controversy died down in the 1990s thanks to genetic studies further proving the bird's distinctiveness. The Amsterdam albatross particularly stands out among its fellow albatrosses thanks to its brown feathers. It also has a wingspan of 3.4 meters at most, allowing it to range across the entire Indian Ocean. This has also made its dependence on Amsterdam Island for breeding a mystery, given the bird's ability to travel long distances. 7. Andean condor, vulture gryphus. The Andean condor is a symbol of power and grace. This South American vulture boasts an impressive wingspan that can measure up to 10.5 feet, 3.2 meters. With their large, broad wings, these scavengers can soar for hours, effortlessly riding thermals in search of carrion. Despite their immense size, Andean condors are surprisingly agile in flight and can reach impressive heights in the sky. These are just a few examples of birds with extraordinary wingspans. Each of these species has adapted to their unique environments, utilizing their impressive wings to navigate the skies with elegance and grace. Observing these birds in flight is a testament to the beauty and diversity found in the natural world. It is important to note that while wingspan is an impressive characteristic, it is not the sole determinant of a bird's capabilities or ecological significance. Birds exhibit a wide range of adaptations, behaviors, and ecological roles that contribute to the overall biodiversity of our planet. The study and appreciation of birds continue to be an essential aspect of understanding and conserving our natural world. As we conclude our journey through the realm of birds with the longest wingspans, we hope you've been inspired by the sheer beauty and grace of these magnificent creatures. From the wandering albatross to the Andean condor, their wingspans redefine what is possible in the avian world. Remember to appreciate and protect these extraordinary species, as they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming explorations of nature's wonders. Thank you for joining us on this awe-inspiring adventure. Until next time, may the skies be filled with the magnificence of birds with the longest wingspans.